those?
No cookies.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to hike Diamond Head. That's a dormant volcano. Dormant means it can't blow up. Okay, so this is vlog episode 3. He's running. He's trying to get there faster. I'm wearing the sombrero because I'll get burnt otherwise. Because sunscreen gives me a rash, so I can't put too much on. You know, it's funny to say I'm allergic to sunscreen pretty much, and heat. So yeah, we are going to hike Diamond Head. I don't know how we're getting there. Actually, I didn't even ask, but we're about to find out. Okay, so we're taking a taxi. Look at that thing. It's like a golf cart. I need one of those. Shaxi.
And the ones in Mexico, they got a bunch of lighting. Oh, I gotta do my shoes up a bit tighter.
We're walking into a tunnel now. Does this look dumb? And I don't even... Oh yeah, there is a sidewalk. I can't... We gotta beat the rain. It looks like it's raining down there. Whoa, this is weird. Echo. 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 All the way. Okay. Let's see if I can find another place. Like, I feel like that looks cool. Like, I couldn't get over it. Like, you were like the epitome of.
Oh. What are you guys giving out cookies too? See the cookie? They're giving cookies.
Okay, so apparently the volcano blew all inside of here. It's a massive circle. It's massive. Absolutely massive. Like, look at how high it must have gone too. It's like probably 500 feet up. More than that. Crazy. Yeah, that's what the crater looks like.
Ooh.
Scary. Whoa. This is actually really long. Made it.
Let's do it. More to the top.
Oh. Our army base lookout. From World War II, this is an army base.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Hang over the side.
Oh my.
Oh, we're at the 100 stairs.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Ship's rolling on the ground
They're way up there right now. They're at the top stairs. I'm coming. You're out of town. Look at those. On the way home again. Highlight of the video. such a child. He's such a child. You're such a child. No, but seriously, what is a blue stop sign? Look, there's a blue stop sign. What in the world? Maybe it's rolling. It might be rolling stops. That's weird.
Oh, it means.
Don't feed wild hogs, wild cats, and like roosters. Oh, there's wild hogs here. That's kind of weird. Oh my, look at all the babies. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's hiding them. He's making them safe.
They might actually be dead.
What? I'm coming. Hey, don't attack me, buddy. There's more babies.
Must be baby season.
Oh, he's ripping. Oh yeah. Floor it. There, we found these avocado thingies. This person had an avocado plant, and we found an avocado laying on the ground. Oh, this is cool. It's a yellow house. Actually, I think it's a store. It's a store. Yellow store and a pink store. This guy over here is filming feeding like thousands of birds. So many over there. Probably 30 birds over there. There's a bunch in the fence too. Crazy. Okay, so we're going to Starbucks right now. It's right here. I got my drinks. Frappuccino, strawberry, and I got my water. Coming in hot. Oh. Okay, so we're in line for McDonald's. Okay, got the McDonald's, now we're heading back. Okay, so this is what I got. I just got out of the shower, but I got quarter pounder. Then I got small fries because I'm making some noodles, so I'm gonna eat that right now. Okay, so the McDonald's was amazing. It tastes a bit different than at home in Canada, but this is gonna wrap up the video. This was a bit of a shorter one because it was literally just climbing a mountain, but I mean not a mountain, a volcano. It sounds worse than it is. I'm climbing a volcano today, guys. Let's climb this volcano and hopefully we don't die. But no, it's not gonna explode. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to vote. There's still time for the intro coming soon. It's posted. It's because I don't know what sound to pick, so go vote on that. Go watch the rest of the Hawaii vlogs. We still got 3 more days on the trip. 4 more days on the trip. 4 more. Well, we have 3 full days after today on the trip. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.